Hello from Slovenia again. I will do a reverse dip, flower dip on the round canvas, 12-inch round canvas today, and I will pour my background color in front of you because those who are new maybe wants to know what you have to do, and the background base coat is mixed with pouring medium also, like all the other paints. It is a little thinner. I will just spin it to spread paint as even as I can, because this is important with this bottle bottom technique, because you have to have your canvas leveled, you have to have even base coat, that your paint will flow evenly off. So all these things matters, that maybe looks they don't look important, but they are. So every part of a process is important if you want to get nice results. So you can't rush this art, you have to pay attention to all these little details, otherwise your result will not be as nice as you want, maybe. So just that's why I suggest you to do this part carefully, so that you will get as nice result as you can. I will pop up air bubbles and kind of try to find, oops, a middle, kind of. It's not a precise thing, just kind of. And put my flower shape, this dessert cup, on. And you have a glare. Just a second. This will be better probably. So I will start with pearl white. And permanent blue violet. And ultramarine cobalt blue. I will list all the colors in the description box, so you can check all the brands and everything. So, and let's add some pearl white again, and manganese phthalo blue. Oop, doesn't matter. And quinacridone rose light. Oops, maybe this one is a little on the thick side. And pearl white again. And Pebeo iridescent precious gold. I like this gold because it's beautiful, it dries beautifully. And pearl white again. And violet. This process takes some time, so if you don't want to watch it, you can fast forward, of course. And pearl white again. I don't know about you, some people just love that flower is as big as it can be, but I love negative space too, so I don't mind if I don't have flower all over. It's nice sometimes to spin it and cover all the canvas with this flower shape, but sometimes I don't mind to have just a little beautiful flower in the middle of the canvas. So it just depends on your taste, and tastes are different, so that's why I sometimes do it like that and sometimes a little different. And this time I will do just 3 layers of paint without switching my cup, because I love the shape that this creates if I don't switch a cup. So even if it looks that this technique is the same all the time, but if you do a little change, if you maybe not pour pearl white between every layer, or draw your lines with skewer differently, layer your paints differently, all this makes a difference. So in a shape of a flower and final result. So you can play with this technique and you can get different results. So and one of those days I will do some flip cup with the silicone, because I didn't do this for I don't know so long that maybe and I will end up with pearl. No, with pearl, with purple, I should say. Okie dokie. And I will spray my napkin while this paint is flowing off. Just have to make some room, sorry. Because you can't spray it on a table where you have drips or something, because your paper napkin will grab those drips and it will not be nice. Okay. And as I said, I will just do this. I will drag through this purple towards the edges. And this will be it that I will do with this flower. I will put my napkin on, but I will not draw any lines, any more lines, just this. And let's see what will happen. And when you put your napkin down, don't rush this part neither. I can't tell you. Oh, I didn't do this. Okay, you see. But I hope that it will be okay anyway. Differently than just don't rush your process. I see some artists too that want to recreate these flower dips, reverse flower dips. And what I noticed, and on my private lessons too, that some people just don't have enough patience, maybe, because this is art. This is, I don't know, some of them, some of you will probably say that this is a craft, but I call this art. Just enjoy, don't rush. Try to be, try to enjoy your process, every part of your process, not just the final result, or pay attention how you layer your paints. You have to pay attention on every part of this process. So, and even if you will do that, it's not, I can't guarantee that you will get gorgeous results. So, because I don't get them anytime neither, and I just think that this one will not be one of my most beautiful ones. I adore colors, but you see, I didn't do a nice job with lifting, so I will just try to spin it a little bit. Just to see if I can correct this, and I think that I managed to correct some imperfections quite okay. I still have, you see, a little, maybe I can spin it a little more, just to maybe get rid of this part. It's always a challenge, because you can spin it too much and you will regret it, but I think that this one needs this. Just try to go a little to this side, and now it's covered all over. So, as I told you when I started, I didn't mean to do a flower on the whole canvas, but when you see what is happening, you can change your mind. I just want to, you know what, get rid of these body parts here, man body parts, and then I will be happy, 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 because it's beautiful. Just this part here needs something. Wow, I love this violet with the cobalt ultramarine blue, and this quinacridone rose, light rose, just pops a little bit to give some nice I don't know, pastel-y look to it, but my hands are so messy. But I really, really like this flower, and I'm happy that I spin it because it's gorgeous. My violet looks, just a second, blue. Maybe this will be better. No. I just can't show you real colors. Just a second. Just no, and this is too blue. Sometimes you just can't catch all this beauty. See this? And if you will imagine, this is violet here. It's so hard with these lights to catch the right colors. Sometimes some colors are pretty real, but some of them are just not. The seed is gold lacing, and this is dark violet, goes to this lighter one, kind of. I see, I love this cell here. So cute. I hope that I will be able to show you the real colors when it will be dry, because it's gorgeous, and I'm really happy that I spin it. So I hope that you learned something, because I talked about a few things that I normally don't. Maybe this is the best without any lights. I don't know, because now you can see this, a little of this rose, but violet still looks blue. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and that you will be able to create some nice flowers too. And check the description box if you want to know which colors I used, and see you on the next one. Bye!